I will start very smart and short quotation of author of Veda. Yad vidya shraddha upnisad karoti tad veerbhadram bhavati. We are discussing about the students since morning. Yad vidya means wisdom, shraddha positive attitude, and Upanishad deep meditable thinking. If you have these three energies, then you can turn any stone in the world, or we can create Dr. P.B. Sharma, AI president, from a very small village known as खमतला. बहुत छोटा सा गांव जो राणा साहब ने बोला, वहाँ से वो आए और एसएटीआई के बाद यूरोप वहाँ टॉप किया, डीटीयू बनाया, आज वहाँ पर है. ऐसे ही एक छोटे से गांव से नोबेल लॉरेट कैलाश सत्यार्थी जी इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम एसएटीआई, पास आउट इन 74, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर. बहुत छोटा सा गांव. सो अल्टीमेटली द एजुकेशन enlighten us. Education of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. As per my opinion, mathematics is tool. With mathematics, we can learn, we can understand the science, and with science, we can enjoy the technology and engineering. So STEM is must for each and every one. We can learn lot of STEM only in hall. Professor Mehta sir rightly said, we have so many things in our kitchen, in our home. Required is only the involvement, only a guru, only a शिष्य. क्लास पूरी हो जाती है, उस नीम का पेड़, वो नीम की बांस की सटैया, गुरुजी और एक शिष्य. At the time, involvement was there. If you have the involvement in anything, excellence is automatically created, or by three energies. Wisdom, I'm not talking about the information. We have lot of information, but where is the wisdom? How can I create the wisdom in a student? So wisdom multiplied by positive attitude, multiplied by deep meditative thinking, we can create excellence in each and everywhere. It may be the school, it may be industry, it may be in job. So for that, in present scenario, really collaboration is required. Collaboration with each and every idea. Collaboration with each and every problem. Collaboration with each and every solution. Or we can say, how can you make our project? How can you write the project? How can you make the product and go to placement or patent? So these 4P is essential for real education. Collaboration for learning at each and every level with each and every stakeholders, starting from the government top institutions to bottom. At each and every level, understanding is required for excellence. It may be at individual level, maybe at level of the family, or at the level of my society, state, country, or whole existence. So when we want to create the excellence through STEM, as per my opinion, the understanding and involvement is required. Thank you, sir.